Tornado warning.
A thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Mountain Park, or 10 miles southwest of Lawrenceville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include
Finally!
Lawrenceville, Duluth, Suwanee, Lilburn, Norcross, Stone Mountain, Berkeley Lake, and Mountain Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Who knew that my first proper EAS alert that I was able to film was of a tornado warning?